Thank you.
Isn't that cool? Oh, an old Jeepster. That is so cool.
This is an old car show. Every time we go through the city, there's an old car show.
Ooh, an old Jeep.
Ooh, look at that
CJ2A.
flaming car. Wow, there's too much traffic that way. Wow, we're just pretending to be. Look at that.
I
What
know
on earth is that?
That is super rare. Look at this, Sonny. The controls are up there too.
I've never seen anything like that.
Now that is rare.
That looks like a submarine. I'd call it the Nautilus.
You can drive it from up there, the deco line there. Very
Look at that thing.
That is beautiful. Anything worth doing is worth doing. El Camino with a 400 in it.
A lot of the kids that I had,
I'm interested in
This last one on the right isn't very rare.
With the sheriff.
Charlevoix County. Oop, there's a Model A coupe for sale on the right, there on the left. See it? Look at that, Terry, up there. Beautiful. Used to be you could pick
Can't
up,
really see it because I'm like actually
but
filming.
it's got it for sale.
Yeah.
Used to be you could pick one up like that for $10,000 anywhere.
Are we done with the cars? Okay. This is a gorgeous little town. Well,
Everything here is
that's
cute.
not exactly little.
Yeah.